And welcome back. With the leadership of the Caribbean Association of National Olympic Committees, CANOC, and Cricket West Indies pushing for individual Caribbean nations to try and qualify for the LA 2028 Olympics, the Jamaica Olympic Association is setting their stage for the Jamaica Cricket Association to challenge for a spot. Spencer Darlington reports.
In order for Jamaica to seek qualification in cricket to the next Olympic Games in Los Angeles in 2028, the Jamaica Cricket Association must do certain things to fall in line with the Olympic movement. Speaking with TVJ Sports recently, President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, outlined the first step required.
What we have indicated to the association is to constitute an Olympic squad so that we can, from now, map that journey from a financial point of view and also from a logistic point of view. So we are waiting for the Cricket Association to come with that squad.
While the International Olympic Committee is yet to finalize how the qualification process for the 6 men's and women's teams will be chosen, Cricket West Indies is continuing to lobby for an individual Caribbean nation to be included.
I always tell people when Jamaica plays Trinidad in the Shell Caribbean Cup, the old football tournament, a man and a dog will be in the stadium. Jamaica against Trinidad in a FIFA World Cup qualifier, and the place will be absolutely jam-packed, as it will be very shortly. So it's a matter of making sure that we have the prestigious end result that people are aiming for. That Olympic dream has been the lodestone for attracting athletic talent to Jamaica for track and field. We want to make sure it's also now the lodestone for attracting cricketers into our pipeline.
When contacted on Thursday, CANOC President Keith Joseph said he hoped the territorial cricket boards will all fall in line with the respective national Olympic committees by the end of August. Samuda also spoke about prospective discussions with Cricket West Indies.
The protocol is that we interface with our member association, and then they interface with their respective stakeholders. But certainly I anticipate that there are going to be partnerships along the way where we'll be able to meet with Cricket West Indies, because this is just not a Jamaican experience. The opportunities for the Caribbean. And although 1 or 2 may go through, what we have to ensure is that the Caribbean is well represented.
The matter is set to be discussed at the 4-day annual general meeting of the International Cricket Council, which started on Thursday in Singapore, where CWI is being represented by President Dr. Kishore Shallow and CEO Chris Daring. Cricket's return to the 2028 Olympics will begin on July 12, with the medal matches set to be played on July 20 and 29. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.